talking about. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you IELTS speaking in part 1 important question answers. So I know this is the repeated topic. Already you can see the topic in my channel name, but these all are the questions. Again, these are the very important and expected questions for your upcoming IELTS exam, speaking exam. So before starting this video, if you are new on this channel, please watch this video and subscribe my channel. And if you need the answers of all these questions, so definitely you need to follow the next video. So now let's get started. But if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel, share this channel to your friends who is going to appear in IELTS exam in next year in January, February or March. So now let's get started. Very first is, who gave you your name? Second important question is, does your name have any particular meaning? Number 3, do you like your name? Number 4, in your country, do people feel that their name is very important? Would you like to change your name? Is it easy to change your name in your country? Who usually names babies in your country? Do you have any special tradition about naming the children? And last, what names are most common in your hometown? So these questions are really very important and recently asked by the examiner to the students, and these are the reported question answers. So please watch my next video. I'll give you the model or sample answers for all these questions. But again, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends who is going to appear in IELTS exam. Thank you very much for watching this video. Watch the next video for the answers of these questions. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Best of luck for your IELTS exam.